right. Excuse the fit. It's a new dawn and a new day. It's a new channel, Haunted Frequency, we're going to be watching. I'm going to be nice, okay? New channel, probably going to see a video we've seen before. Gonna skip it. Right. Scary TikTok videos that'll keep you up at night. Simple.
You are tuned in to the Haunted Frequency. Our first video comes from Malaysia. While we have no context behind this video, what happens here is quite bizarre. While filming on what seems to be an interstate road, the camera pans around and catches something that cannot be explained.
Okay, what would that be?
People in the comments are suggesting that this is a ghostly entity which is known in Malaysia and Islam as a jinn. I zoomed in and...
Okay, it's a little bit goofy, but actually, I don't know what the hell that is. Couldn't tell you. It's fake, right? So how? So how do they do it?
Slowed the footage down, yet no...
I mean, that looks like a whole ass blanket. You know, like a typical cartoon ghost. I don't know, blue, but he's not blue. Like Casper, but he's like more rigid shape. I don't know. This is getting weird. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good video. I have not seen this one. It's a Malaysian video. Pretty good start, buddy. Because that could even be anything else. Like, what would that even be? It's a physical thing. That's not like a camera glitch or nothing. I'm gonna have to like it right off rip.
Our next story comes from a TikTok account that has been posting creepy videos that we are a bit skeptical about. Although some of their videos did look that they could be staged, one of them truly caught our attention. Take a look.
Yo, what? Wait, why is this like a crazy good production value right now? Like that, this is good. This is really good.
What is that? Who are you? I'm not gonna hurt you.
A dark figure is seen peeking.
Nah, what the fuck? That's gotta be fake. What the fuck? His reaction makes no sense. What? What happened? How did you do that?
From the bathroom. However, when the TikToker gets around the corner to show the figure, no one is there.
No, it's a TikTok too. That's gotta just be fake somehow. Just some editing maybe? Because it's just a shadow. There's no like features to it.
TikToker gets around the corner to show the figure. No one is there. This is something pretty hard to fake, especially with the camera movement. So what do you think? Did they capture something paranormal? Let us...
No, that's just editing, but that's good though. Like it's a good fake in real time if you're not slowing it down. Okay?
Know in the comments below. Our next story comes from England. Uploaded on TikTok by user Smug Puppy, it shows a man and his daughter sitting in the living room of their house explaining how two dark...
Bro, Smug Puppy is a crazy good name. That's sick. That'd be a sick-ass license plate, like SMG PPY or some shit. Smug Puppy, you know? Like a big guy at a bar or something, like a burly dude with a beard. Oh, we could just call him Smug, you know?
Entities have been haunting their stairs and hallway. In an effort to prove to people that the hauntings are real, they attempt to record the entities in an uninterrupted video. Take a look.
What we decided to do in an effort to prove that... In an effort to prove that these are real, I've made Kaylee sit...
Thanks.
sit really close. And she's going to grab the camera as soon as we see one. And I'm pretty sure... It screams pretty hard to see from here, to be fair.
Nah, that's not... Your reaction would be crazy. That's just editing, again.
But we've tried to push it back to get the best view. And she's going to grab the camera and get it up the stairs, because there's literally nowhere to go on the stairway. There's yeah, you'd hear somebody running up the stairs. There's no other rooms to go in. So, you know what I mean? That's what we're doing.
I mean, he already showed up. So what are we doing? Get up and do the thing he's been talking about for 20 minutes.
So, I want to get ready, guys. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, in the span of a TikTok time, no, there's no way. Like, it's so set up.
Don't cover the screen, because people say, you've cut the video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just try and grab it the best you can. Yeah, go. Quick. Go. Quick.
No, it already came up, so how did you see it that time and not the first 2 times? I mean, it's better. People are getting better at faking stuff, so that's cool, I guess. I don't know, more entertaining.
You can clearly see 2 figures peeking from the door.
Bro, but it's just a black mask. There's no, like, features to it at all. It's just like a guy in a morph suit. Like, it doesn't have the same effect.
It's quite funny. It shows Katie sitting on the couch while something really unexpected happened. Take a look.
Oh, the bear flied.
That Teddy's arms just moved.
It's the same people. It's Smug Puppy. Nah, they just be faking. Why are we like watching right in here? Well, because we have ghost activity, so we need to keep for our TikTok. This is ridiculous.
I swear to God, it's just moved.
What on about?
It's just moved.
What are
I'm going insane.
Katie's dad does not waste time to teach that Teddy a lesson. Jokes aside, it is quite creepy the way this stuffed animal moved. I do not see any string.
No, that too looks like editing.
It is quite creepy the way this stuffed animal moved. I do not see animal moved.
It looks off. It looks weird. I don't know what y'all did exactly, but I mean, you could, because of the way you guys are sitting, I feel like you could like frame this out, you know, have her move it, and that's why it looks all funky. Nah. And it's Smug Puppy. It's Smug Puppy. Come on.
I do not see any string, wire, or anything else pulling it. So what do you think, real or fake? You decide.
This something looks weird, bro. That's just not right.
Our next story comes from England, featuring a man who deals with the paranormal in quite a peculiar way. 666 Manchester is definitely not scared of what is happening in his house. Take a look.
Little shit. I'll ring the fucking priest. Fuck off. Lights just come on.
Comes from England, scared of what is happening.
Bro, that one's so dumb, dude. The friend just reaches in, turns the light switch on. He pans back. Like, what are we doing, bro? This is...
Whoa, guys. We don't know what the fuck. Guys, look at that blind. What the fuck?
Bro, that's actually normal. That just happens. I mean, I have blinds. That literally happens all the time. I don't like that they're all TikToks.
You decide. Our next video comes from England with 2 very brave paranormal investigators. They were investigating an abandoned house in the UK when something puts them in real danger. This is how we got one of the best overreactions in the paranormal investigations history. Take a look.
Shit.
Why do we have a South Park Stan Marsh over here just in the... why? What's the point of that?
Down here.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god! Wow! Oh, holy crap, man! Oh god! Holy shit, that would have...
Okay, I see why he's there now. I get it. Bro, that actually could have like killed him though. That would have probably killed him. That looked like a really heavy object.
What the fuck? Oh my god! Wow! Oh, holy crap, man!
Wow. That's a crazy way to get rid of your adrenaline. This is like their first time ghost hunting. They've never done this before.
Fucking toilet, bro.
Needless to say, the investigators stayed calm and collected. Jokes aside, an old toilet comes flying down the stairs for no apparent reason.
A toilet? How do we know it's a toilet?
This could have ended more tragic.
Oh shit, that is a toilet. Okay, that's the crazy part then. So they're not freaking out for no reason. Unless there's like a third guy with them. I don't know the context, but that's actually a good one. Because how the fuck would you do that? Wow, they do overreact though. That was a little much. I mean, you guys do not seem like you've done this before.
A man is recording what seems to be an entity staring back at him from afar. The video seems to be very believable. Take a look.
Alright, tell me I'm on fucking crack. Every time I turn off the light, there's like a shadow there. Watch. You see that? What the fuck? What the fuck? Tell me I'm not on fucking crack, dude. Hell no. What the fuck, dude? I'm out of here. Ma.
A shadow appears to be standing in the next room and only visible when the lights are off. The video seems to have no apparent cuts, which makes it even harder to explain. So what do you think? Did this man really encounter the paranormal? As always, real or fake?
Okay, that was actually kind of crazy.
Did this man really encounter the paranormal? As always, real?
I was thinking, like, yeah, you could make it where they just pop in as soon as you turn the lights off, but turn the lights back on. How do they know when you're going to do it? Like, that would actually be kind of hard to coordinate. Wow, hey, that was a good one. Bro, I'm subbing, dude. This is good.
You decide. Our next TikTok video comes from an unknown source, since it has been re-uploaded many times. It shows a man dealing with a very angry spirit haunting his room. His reaction sums up how terrifying the encounter was.
Bro, have you seen The Exorcist? I feel like this is not the way to deal with like spirits in your house and stuff. To start reciting like Bible verses at them. Not the move, bud. Not the move. It just pisses them off. Then they just throw shit at you. You'll have like a kitchen knife stuck in your spleen. Like that doesn't seem like a good time. And it takes days. Some exorcism things I think take like weeks. You know? It's not efficient. It's like cleaning the floor with a toothbrush.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Demons out of the house. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. I ask you to leave my house, please. I command you to leave the house in the name of the Father.
At scary encounter. Super fake.
Son and the Holy Spirit. I am reading the Father's prayers. Leave this house now. Oh,
bro, he's not even reading nothing. Like, he don't know what's in that book. But one video being lame out of the rest, bro, that's pretty good.
Our next TikTok video comes from an unknown source where a poltergeist can be seen from a house window. The speed of how this entity moves between rooms is quite disturbing, to say the least. Take a look.
It's inside now. Chuck it on the window out. There.
Yeah.
Top window.
Yeah.
Bottom window. Bottom window.
I can only see it.
How does its face look like? So, man, it disappeared. Bottom window.
I can only see it.
It looked like top.
How does its face look like? So, man, it disappeared. Top window. Right.
Oh my god.
I thought so. It replayed the video for some reason.
What the hell is it going to zoom in on this?
Oh, gone.
Bottom window. What the hell is going on?
You're just going through the floor or something.
It's gone through the wall.
Like most videos from TikTok, this leaves no context behind the story.
I was gonna say, we have no idea what's going on. Like, this could be anything. Like, that could be like an effect for like a haunted house thing or something. Like, maybe it's Halloween. It's a decoration that they're putting on the windows or something. Crazy. Sounds crazy, but it being an entity that's popping around through the house, going through the floors, I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I mean, I don't think the old guy that's talking and commentating, I don't think he's lying though, you know? Like, you think he's just gaslighting his wife right now, doing this whole thing? Nah. This has got to be like something they're doing, or like some project, like a ARG or something. Like, we don't know the context. It's a good video, bro. That was the first one I watched on his channel. But we are absolutely coming back. Haunted frequency. I'd say that fits pretty well. Next video.